Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Teresa. As you may have noticed, I got this fancy new microphone because my last video's audio was a little bit off. And since here I'm helping you be an entrepreneur, that is one way that you can invest in your business in order to up-level your content. And another thing that you can do to up-level your content is creating a wardrobe that fits your brand and aesthetic, which is what I'm going to be talking about today. I bought a bunch of new items from Forever 21 because if you've been here since the beginning of the year, in January I did a total closet clean out and threw out like half of my closet. So throughout this year I've been slowly but surely replenishing it, both through thrifting and also some stores like in the mall. I bought all of this stuff from Forever 21 online, and I also just recently saw a video that said that Forever 21's online prices are cheaper than the in-store prices. I didn't have an opportunity to check that out, but maybe you can. I really like to shop at thrift stores when I'm looking for statement pieces that I might not wear all of the time, because I've noticed that when I go thrifting, it takes a long time to find exactly what you're looking for. So what I like to do is kind of a mixture of sustainable thrift shopping and also buying new items from a store like Forever 21, because sometimes thrift stores don't have what I'm looking for, especially when I'm looking for things that are on trend. I know I even talked about that in my last thrift haul video. I was looking for some really specific pieces to fill in my wardrobe while I was shopping, because I've noticed that I don't always have the kind of outfits that I would like to film content in. And one thing that I've noticed being a content creator is it's kind of like when you're on a diet, you know, they say if you don't have it in the house, you won't be tempted, or it'll just be like harder to eat junk food if you don't buy it at the grocery store. And that's kind of the same way it is with like filming content. So if you don't have anything to wear, then it's easy to just be like, oh, I can't film content today, I guess. But if all of your clothes fit your brand's aesthetic, then you're kind of forced to, or you're always ready to make content whenever you need to. Maybe not all the time, obviously you need to take breaks, but it's much more sustainable when you're able to create content as inspiration strikes. So I thought buying more clothing items that kind of fit my channel and my brand's aesthetic would inspire me and also help me embody kind of the vibes that I'm going for. So first I just got this really simple biker shorts and matching tank top set. The shorts are $14.99 and the top was $12.99, and it fits the color palette that I talked about in my closet clean out video very nicely. I thought I could go work out in this. And then I also got this adorable Barbie sweatshirt. It was $19.99, and I just thought it would be cute to throw over this set if I'm going to like an exercise class or something, if you don't want to be showing off your figure like that. And then I got this asymmetrical top for $5 and these matching joggers for $14.99. This is one of the first, I think it's the second pair of sweatpants that I've actually bought, because I have so many old ratty pairs of sweatpants lying around from when I was in high school. And this tie-dye top is really trendy. I love the color and just like the pattern.
This generation is so weird, because literally, how am I supposed to know if they meant to leave this unfinished or not? Because that's just in style these days.
And obviously, because I'm an OnlyFans girl, I had to buy something to show off to my subscribers. And I got this pink set. The top and the bottoms were $14.99 each. It has these buttons on the front, but the fabric is really tight, so you might want to go up a size. I already had this green skirt, but it's ironically also from Forever 21. But I got this top for $10.49, and it's really cute. I have something very similar that's pink and floral already, but I think you can look for things that look like the clothes you already like. I already mentioned in my thrift haul when I bought another top kind of like this with the sleeveless top and a collared neckline. My mom used to wear these a lot, and I really like them now. I think it's just because I grew up with them, but it was only $9.09 and I already had the skirt. As you can see, I definitely wanted to wear a bra with this top. Much better. Next, I got this brown top. I already had the skirt, but again, it is from Forever 21. I'm just like a Forever 21 addict. I think that if I get a lot of followers, they should sponsor me, but I get it, not right now. The top that I got was $10.49. It's super cute and basic. I mentioned in one of those videos from January that I was getting rid of all of my black clothes because it just doesn't complement my skin tone because I'm so pale. So I've been trying to get a lot more brown in my closet, as you can see with this other brown halter top. I got it on clearance and it was only $5. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but it's really cute because it has like this triangle shape and it's also velvet material. So I don't think I would have bought it if it weren't on clearance, but I'm glad that I did because I think that it'll look really cute to go out in or even in like one of my Instagram pictures. It's just like a really funky shape and texture. I love it. You already know I had to pick up a sundress for this sundress season. This one cost me $19.99. It's really cute. It's like this light blue. It also has little tiny white flowers. You might not be able to see it from this angle, but I love the top of it with the ruching. And I know it's probably like cheaply made, but who cares? It fits my body nicely because of the fabric, and it'll look cute for the springtime. And I realized that that whole time my tag was sticking out. Actually, all of my tags were hanging out. As I mentioned in my video, shopping for extended length jeans, I used to always accidentally tear the tags off of my new clothes, so if something didn't fit me, I wasn't able to return it. But fortunately, I loved everything that I got today, so I'm not gonna have to take anything back. I think that it really did fit the aesthetic that I was really going for with this look and my whole wardrobe moving forward for my brand and my business. So if you want to learn how to be a #girl boss, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below and the gray notification bell right next to it. I'm going to be probably doing more of these closet updates throughout the year, and I also post videos about how to run your OnlyFans like a business. So if that's something you're interested in, I welcome you into our community. And if you want to find more of my content, my links will all be down below in the description, and I'll pop them up on the screen. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.